Well, nothing hard about it. Just takes a little time and energy and effort. You can get it. And I've made sure to get all the stuff that was underneath, little nails that were under there, and the last little bit that they had under there, I wanted to get that out so when they put the carpet down, they got enough room to push that carpet right underneath the baseboard, just like they're going to do everywhere else. See, that's how they do it. When they install a baseboard brand new, they never put it down tight to the subfloor. Usually they'll put it up about a ½ inch or so, or you can cut, what I used to do is cut little pieces, scrap of baseboard, let's say, to start off, and then I use those, and I just put a couple, boom, 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 and then put my long baseboard up, and that was kind of like my guide, and then I pulled those out. Because you always want that gap, see? So that when you get the carpet and they cut the carpet, then they kind of tuck it underneath the baseboard, and then the carpet kind of pooches out too. You may not have ever seen it. It's designed so that you don't see the bottom edge of the baseboard. Okay, so that's why you don't want to lift the baseboard up too high. You get it up too high, and after they tuck it in, you might have it up a little bit too high. Oh yeah, I can see the bottom of the baseboard there, and there's a slight little gap right there. As the carpet kind of dive bombs down like that, the carpet's up and you got a little edge there. You don't want that. Okay? So I've got all that, and I threw away the one bit, and you know, I just have this stuff here, and let's just cut it up and throw it in there, shall we? I think I can lift that. Oh yeah, that's just fine. And then whatever I've got left here, I just try to to keep everything as clean as I can to a certain extent. Ready to take that down to the dumpster. Just take it down like that. See, that's why I didn't want any nails sticking out, plus I wanted to fold everything so I didn't step on the nails, and then it all stacks in there, and I want to be careful. Once I start getting nail pop holes through the plastic, this heavy tarp-like material, then I'm going to have a tendency for it to start ripping, okay? And I can just carry this downstairs. No problem. I don't need any buckets. I don't need a wheelbarrow. I'm not going to carry it in armfuls. Just put it in there, and you can carry it. With these long ones, I can put that over my shoulder, or I can carry it like that if I want, and away I go. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. All right, what was I doing?